where it's always 84 degrees.
Fascinated by what they're doing at SpaceX right now.
Tell.
Oh my God.
It is
so
cool video, no doubt.
futuristic. All right, big surf coming up this weekend.
That's right. We're going to take a live look right now at Del Coronado. Looking pretty good out there, nice and quiet. But a high surf advisory was issued at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and it will be in effect until Sunday afternoon. Certainly, we're going to see some differences out there. It's been relatively quiet this week, although it seems like every other week we have high surf advisory. So by now, most of you know rip currents will be a threat. Minor coastal flooding, and also expecting those big waves to average between 4 to 8 feet. The times to watch the high tide will be between 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning. So tomorrow, 8:10 will be the time for the high tide. On Sunday, 8:54. Last weekend, it was really busy out there, and I'm sure this weekend is going to be just as busy once again. Another storm system approaching, most of the rain just to our north. That'll change by tomorrow afternoon. For tonight, just partly to mostly cloudy. As we put our rain futurecast in motion, you can see the chance of rain starting tomorrow afternoon, 2, 3. And then by 5 o'clock, it'll be widespread throughout the county. There may be a rumble of thunder. By late tomorrow night, it'll start to clear. And then on Sunday, the weather improves. So if you're looking for the driest day out of the weekend, certainly Sunday will be the best one of the two. Rain showers will be mostly light, expecting about 1/10 of an inch at the coast, inland areas, over towards the mountains, 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. And most of the snow is going to stay to our north. The Sierras are expecting 1 to 2 feet of snow. It is good, even though the system is not doing much for us. We do need that snowpack to continue growing. Tonight, temperatures dropping down to 46 Ramona, 48 in Poway. Here in San Diego, we'll keep it in the mid 50s. And then tomorrow, we'll average in the 60s, just a little bit cooler. It'll be 2 to 5 degrees cooler. We'll drop a few more degrees on Sunday. Overall this weekend, 5 to 10 degrees cooler in comparison to the temperatures we've seen today and yesterday. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, high surf Saturday, Sunday, best chance of rain will be in the afternoon, mid-60s this weekend, and then a warming trend on the way for early next week. Inland areas will stay right around 65, 64 on Saturday and Sunday. Nice and dry, becoming mild by the mid-portion of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, looking like great days to go for a hike. Mountains, though, it's going to get gusty once again. The winds increasing, especially on Saturday afternoon. If you're going to be traveling out that way, a lot of people checking out the ski resorts. So keep in mind, it's going to be windy and snow will be coming down on Saturday. Not here locally, but if you're heading north, there will be some snow.
A lot of people do, so that's good.
Thinking about that. You need to get out there. All right.